Good afternoon, everybody. This is Tyler Hill at MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Sea Ray boat dealer. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on this gorgeous new Sea Ray 280 SLX in the quantum blue hull color. Brand new model for Sea Ray. This one has the electric power tower on it with the manual pull-out aft shade to give you a ton of coverage. Powered by twin 250 Mercury Verados with joystick piloting. Underwater lights on this bad boy. This has the stone interior, which is the light gray. Nice concealed anchor here. Excuse me, swim ladder. Big beautiful sun pad in the back with storage underneath. Look at all the covers this top gives you. This one has the optional sea deck all throughout the boat. Freshwater shower and battery charger back here. Cup holders everywhere, stereo controls. Optional side step in teak. This is such an amazing new model. We've been waiting for it. Big expansive cockpit. Everybody has a great seat. Boat performs with 250s as well. With the attention to detail in the stitching, in the trim. And yes, with a push of a button, this whole tower will go down if you need clearance, if you have clearance issues with a bridge or for storage. Wrap around stainless steel windshield, dual SIMRAD GPSs, DTS controls. How beautiful the bow is here. Really deep, lots of room to completely lay out. Access to your windlass. And it has a beautiful, beautiful head as well with a vacuum flush toilet and sink here. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. This is a 2024 Sea Ray 280 SLX. It is available. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Bye for now.